Hello. Hi. Okay, enjoy. We're gonna walk right there? Okay, coming. Hey, don't leave me. I'm scared. Whoa. Hi. Umala. Hi. With that. Okay. Kahit kaka-surgery lang, ayan, nag-lake kami. Ayan, mamaga pa rin yung surgery ko. It's oral surgery. So, lalakad kami sa tubig. Ayan. Napaka sobrang lakas ng loob ni Amalia. Hindi man lang siya natatakot na umiiyak. She loves trying it always. Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? Huh?
What about Avila?
Avila! Are you okay, baby? It's so hot. Ayan, dito na yung pinakalas. Ayan. So, that's it. Diyan na yung pinakalas. So, ayan. Itong batang to, napaka-tibay niya. Napaka-strong. She's fighting. Yeah, see? Nagka-fight talaga siya. Never give up. And she loves doing... Do you like it, baby? Yes. Amaya! Hi! Hi! Amalia! Yeah. Natatakot oh. Yung bata oh. Talagang matibay. Pwede madulas pero they're good. Alam nila yung ginagawa nila. Ayan oh.
I use the condos right here. Go to get it. It was never that steep before. Yeah. It was steep, but it was never like that.
This way, baby.
Stop. Yeah.
Right here.
I said that. Hurry, come. Well, come on. You too.
Oh, what is this?
That was the bridge, Mom.
Oh, holding the bridge? All the way there? All broken.
What happened to the ground? Leaving that way or what?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ayan oh. Natumba. Ayan, dun kami kanina. No, don't make me scared. Come on, please. No. Which way? This way? Or that way? Or this way? We're lost! Oh my God! Where are we now? Oh my God, that girl! Never scared. Amalia, you don't do that! Oh my goodness! Wow!
You want to go swimming, Mom? Go swimming.
No, thank you. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Hawak pang baby yun, ha? Hindi talaga natatakot si Boy sa kanyang balance, oh. Pwede siya mahulog. Ang lalim niya, no? Hawak niya pa yung baby niya. Tapos, tumutuloy sila sa malaking tree. Yung isang bata, napakatapang na bata. Stop her right there. She knows how to do it by herself. She is good. Oh my God. She's so strong. Oh wow. Wow. Hello, Ale. Hello. Hi. It was really fun. Na-enjoy namin yung tubig at nakapaglakad-lakad. So, babalik na kami sa kotse. And that's it for today. Bye!